Hello students, welcome to the Political Science tutorials. This channel Political Science tutorials will give you number of videos in the subject Political Science. To get notification of the next video, you can kindly like and subscribe the channel. With this, I will start with the topic of the class, and today I am going to discuss the topic meaning and definitions of political science. The outline of the class is that the first part of the class we will discuss the meaning, and the later part of the class we will discuss the definitions of political science. The learning outcome of the class is that at the end, students will be able to explain the meaning and definitions of political science. Before I discuss with you the meaning of political science, I would like to introduce the subject political science to you. As far as meaning and definitions to political science is concerned, there is no single definition or there is no single meaning associated to the subject political science. Different political thinkers have studied the political science, and based upon their research and experience, they have given meaning and definitions. When we look at the idea politics, politics exists everywhere and it plays a very important role in every person's life. One cannot say that one has to live in isolation to politics or one has to live separate to the politics. No, it is not possible because politics remains within you, within the state, with you till your death. So it is very important that you remains with the politics. As far as politics idea is concerned, politics is not a new idea. It is as old as society. So politics came into existence since the society came into existence. Aristotle is a Greek philosopher, an ancient philosopher. He has advocated the idea of politics to the world in 2500 years back for the first time. He has given a very systematic and detailed study on politics, and therefore he is considered as the father of political science. Aristotle has written a book, and the name of the book is The Politics. In this book, Aristotle mentions that man by nature is political animal and cannot live without state. So this gives us clear idea that politics present everywhere and it plays very important role in every human life and in the state. Let's discuss the meaning of political science. There are different meanings associated to political science. The first point to discuss the meaning of political science is on the origin of idea politics. The word politics, it is derived from three Greek words, and those three Greek words are: first, polis, which means city-state; second, polity, which means government; and third, politia, which means constitution. This is a traditional definition given by the ancient Greek philosopher. And when ancient Greek philosopher studying the political science, they were not making any distinction between the personal life and social life. Both personal life and social life were taken together to study the politics or political science. So mostly in the study of Greek philosophers on political science, you will find that study is based on man, society, state, and so on. So the first meaning associated to political science is that political science or politics is nothing but studying the origin of idea politics. Second point to discuss the meaning of political science is that politics or political science is the study of the state. So when it is said it is the study of the state, it is also known as a science of state. And this viewpoint, it is a traditional viewpoint on the study of political science. When any political thinker studying about the state, his study was starting with the state and end with the state. So completely the study is based on the state and nothing was beyond the state. So while studying the state, the thinkers were basically studying the past, present and future of the state. They are also studying the various political institutions present in the state, different theories associated to the state and also the origin of the state. All these things were studied mainly to make the present strong and also to upgrade the future of the state. So in the second point we have seen that political science is nothing but studying about the state. So the thinkers who were believing in this meaning that political science or politics is the study of state are R.G. Gettel and J.W. Gardner. Next point to the meaning of political science is that politics is the study of the government. So when it is said it is study of the government, it is basically dealing with the state and its government, because finally state is run by the government based upon the structure, based upon the organs, and these organs of the government are legislature, executive and judiciary. So when political science studying about the government, it is mainly studying the organs of the government, that is what I told you, legislature, executive and judiciary. Then it is also studying the principles of the government, principles like democratic principle, liberal principle, on which principle the government is based upon, that is what is studied. Then the functions of the government is studied and different activities carried out by the government in the state is studied in the political science. So the third point gives us the clear idea that political science is nothing but studying the government of the state. And the political thinkers who are believing in this meaning are George Catlin, Paul Janet and Professor Hans Ullmann. Fourth point to discuss the meaning of political science is that political science is nothing but study of national institutions. When it is said national institution, it means that various political institutions which are present in the state, which are present in the nation. So political science, while studying the national institution, is mainly giving the descriptive study of political institutions of the state. So it is basically studying the political institutions in terms of its history, ideology and factors which are influencing the political structure. Now political structures are the one on which basically the government is based upon. And to give you example of political structure is legislature, executive and judiciary. And different political institutions are functioning in this structure. For example, in legislature it is the parliament which is a political institution functioning. Then in executive it is the bureaucracy which is functioning, which is a political institution. And in judiciary they are the courts which are functioning. So in political science such type of institutions, national institutions which are studied in a very detailed manner. Next point associated to the meaning of political science is that political science is the study of power. So when it is said it is the study of power, it is a modern approach to the meaning of political science, and it is mainly looked in terms of power, authority and legitimacy. So in this point it is said that political science basically looking at the power, authority and legitimacy associated in that particular state. So here political science gives importance to power in politics. So while studying the politics and the power associated with it, political science mainly study the power in terms of who get what, when and how. And the thinkers who are believing in this viewpoint that political science is the study of power, the thinkers are Harold Lasswell and Robert Dahl. The next point to the meaning of political science is that political science is the study of conflict resolution. So whatever conflict arising in the state are resolved, how they should be resolved, that is what studied in the political science according to this point. So it is mainly concerned with what to bring change, okay, what changes to be brought in and whether to resist such type of changes. So political science mainly concerned with to bring change or to resist change, okay, resist meaning to oppose the change. So in state, people compete with each other to satisfy their needs, and when resources are less, there are possibilities that conflict may arise between the people. And here the role of politics comes that they should resolve such type of conflict. So how to resolve conflict between the people, that is what studied in the political science. Then the thinkers who are believing in this viewpoint are Miller and Peter B. Harris. 7th point is that political science is the study of correlation of many social science subjects. So political science is a interdisciplinary subject. It is one branch of social science. So different subjects like history, geography, economics, sociology, they play very important role in the subject political science. So political science cannot be studied alone. It should be studied with different social science subjects. Okay, so it is a interdisciplinary subject. So it is the study in political science is interlinked with other social science subjects. So as far as definitions to political science is concerned, there are two approaches to the definitions of political science. One is traditional definition and another one is modern definition. So as far as traditional definitions is concerned, it is basically highlighting upon the origin of state. Second, it believes in the study of state, government and national institutions. Third, its study is based on theoretical and legal structures. And the thinkers who are believing in traditional definitions are thinkers like Gettel, Garner, Janet and Kathleen and Hans. And modern definitions, they are basically highlighting upon the powers in politics. So power is studied, believes that study is mainly concerned with conflict resolution. So conflict are being solved, how to solve, that is what is studied in the political science according to modern definitions. Then the study is based on interdisciplinary method. So different social science subject help is taken to study the political science. And the thinkers who are believing in this concept are Miller, then Peter B. Harris and Robert Dhal. So these are some of the traditional definitions given by different thinkers. Okay, R.J. Gettle, according to him, political science as a study of state in the past, present and future, and of political institutions and political theories. Second, J.W. Gardner, according to him, political science begins and ends with the state. Third, Paul Janet, he says political science concerned with the foundation of the state and principles of the government. According to Oxford's English Dictionary, it defines political science as the study of the state and systems of the government. And these are the modern definition. Harold Laswell, he says politics is the study of shaping and sharing political powers. According to Robert Dahl, political system is concerned with the power, rule and authority. Miller says that political science is concerned with the nature of politics is to either bring change or to resist the change. So thank you very much. If you like the video, kindly like it, and to get the notification of next video, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.